Nestled in the vibrant heart of Leeds, Portland Crescent stands out as a premium, stylish heaven for students. The property offers an enticing mix of studios and a two-bedroom shared apartment, tailored to every taste. Beyond its prime location, Portland Crescent spoils its residents with modern, aesthetically pleasing rooms that come complete with comfortable beds, study desks, bookshelves, and compact kitchen areas. The property doesn't just stop at basics. It provides high-speed Wi-Fi for endless streaming, a laundry facility, and a dedicated 24/7 on-site team that is always there to lend a helping hand. What truly sets Portland Crescent apart is its vibrant social scene. Everything from yoga classes and pop-up golf to marker making and mocktail workshops will be found. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the on-site gym, while the coffee lounge and study rooms offer the perfect spots for relaxation and group study sessions. The property is perfectly located near Leeds Metropolitan University and Leeds Beckett University to make daily commutes easy and breezy. Situated in one of Leeds' most sought-after areas, this ideal abode is surrounded by an array of restaurants, cafes, and bars. Whether you're craving authentic Japanese cuisine at Blue Sakura, looking to unwind at Pixel Bar, or needing a caffeine fix from 92 Degrees Cafe, everything you need is within easy reach. So it's time to make this stellar accommodation your own today. Visit amberstudent.com to know more.